In this part of the series, I'm going to skip ahead a little and show you how you can get free tiers on Paperspace. First, I'll sign in into the Paperspace console. I already have a notebook made. In this tutorial I'm not going to remake it from scratch. I just want to show you how to get a free tier and how it's done the usual way and then how you can do it the easy way. Right now I'm logging into the interface, but I do not have a machine allocated. To the left you can see that there are some free GPU tiers. And if you, for example, want to start a tier, just select one and then start machine. I'm not going to do this right now. Imagine, for example, you didn't have any of the free tiers here. What you will need to do is sit at your chair and keep reloading the console every minute or so until a free tier is available. This is quite time-consuming and tedious, so what I've done is made a little script that can automate this process. Paperspace has an API. In particular, Paperspace has an API for gradient notebooks. Once you have installed the gradient package from the Python package manager, you can start a gradient notebook using a script similar to the one provided in the API, using exactly a command similar to this. So what I'm going to do is use that to start a notebook. This is the script. I started with Ctrl F5. Note that I am using the free tiers for just the A4000 and the RTX 5000. Those GPUs are the two best in the Pro tier. The P5000 is 4 times slower than this. I found that it's very difficult to use Stable Diffusion with that particular GPU. Let us start. I have pressed Ctrl F5 here to start the script. As you can see, if the tiers are not available, it will keep retrying until they are. A lot of the time I can get one of these GPUs right away, but sometimes I need to wait. This time we'll need to wait, and then once a GPU has been allocated, you will get a notification in the taskbar. Oh, it succeeded. It took almost a minute, 55 seconds to be exact. Now I can go into my Paperspace console and into the notebook, and you can see that the machine has started. And now I can go into the IPython script and start. I'm not going to do this in this tutorial. I'm going to show how to set up this script in a later one. For this particular script, I provide a link in the description to a GitHub repo where you can download it. In the future videos, I will explain how to install Visual Studio Code, how to start the script and all of that. For now, I just wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to get free tiers on Paperspace, even if they aren't available. The longest I had to wait for to allocate one of these beefier GPUs is 15 minutes, but this time I got it relatively quickly. I hope you found this short tutorial informative, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.